Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I have a new design team project from MyScrapChick. In my video yesterday, I shared with you the purse box, but I also made these adorable note cards. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these vintage oval A2 cards using a file by MyScrapChick. I'm going to grab the materials and I'll be right back. So I've gathered my materials to make our vintage card with oval frame. What I love about this card is the depth to it. This card is originally an A7 card. However, I did shrink it down to fit inside my purse box. Yesterday we made this purse box, so I'm going to make a card that coordinates with this gift box. In this file you will have all of the pieces that you need and all of the layers to make the card. The paper collection that I'm using is by the Paper Studio. It's called Pretty as a Poppy. In this file, you will have the card base, which is already scored for you. You'll have the inside of the card, the sentiment, and the various layers. First, we're going to go ahead and along the score lines, making sure the edges line up properly. Just going to use my bone folder. Okay. Before I start working on the front, I'm going to put my inside layer in, and I've just cut this out in a pearl white cardstock that's going to be attached right here. So there's a natural border that goes all around. Okay, I'm just going to place this right here so it has a nice even border. And I'm going to flip this over. The first piece we're going to lay down is the larger piece, and that's going to fit right here. This is the largest piece in your file. Nice even border all around. The next piece we have is this rose gold foil. Now I wanted to give this foil some dimension, so I've added in pop dots on the back. So I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to center it right in the middle of this back panel. And then next I'm going to attach this black layer, which is going to be attached right in the center. And the goal here is to see a nice border of this foil all around. And let me just show you the original file here. You can see all of the layers that are included in this file simply by adding pop dots. This is a really nice effect, but also very easy to create. So I'm going to glue this down right onto the foil. This is going to go down just like so. You have to be very careful with the foil because that is not forgiving at all. The next piece we're going to add in is this decorative panel, and I've also added pop dots to give this a little dimension. And we're going to put this last piece down here so that there's an even border of black and this rose gold foil. The last thing we need to add is this sentiment, which is going to go right in the center. We're going to fit that right here so that there's an even border of black all around, just like the other layers. And as a finishing touch, we're going to add this bow. I think it's all that it needs. So let's glue that down now. Put a little bit of hot glue here, and then we'll stick that down. And there is our card. So I'm going to set this aside for a moment, and I'm going to grab the envelope. This is the A2 bracket envelope. This is also another file on MyScrapChick, and as you can see, there's score lines all around. So let's begin folding along the score lines. So what I've done for this card is I've changed the cut lines that come with this file into score lines. I'm gonna fold these here like this. You can keep the cut lines if you like. I just wanted to have a nice smooth edge. Okay, and so this envelope, these tabs will fold in, and this piece folds up just like so. Let's glue these panels. I'm just going to fold these up. And there we have our A2 scalloped envelope. And this card will fit nicely inside. Before I put this card in the envelope, I just want to bring out the purse gift box once again, just so you could see what a lovely pair this makes. This concludes my review of the vintage card with oval frame. Hopefully I have inspired you with some new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.